You have it? No? Fine. All right. Take a look. How could... Please, just send it over. Bring that. What are you doing now? Take one more step and I'll bury you. Brother, please, just send it over. Please. The brother of his brother. Exactly. How so? They throw you all out on the street together. We choose our brothers on the street. Not by blood, but by bond. I don't know. Did I make myself clear? Hey, you come and take this one back to bed. Clearly his head isn't right yet. Pray that we don't move again. Oh, how rude. We're always happy to have you. Pray for your mother too.
Nifanyie mandingo hii kuflash na kompyuta mpaka uifungue mfuniko, kwa hiyo inakuwa inazingua mpaka uifungue simu nzima. Kwa hapa ngoja nipite njia tu ambayo na hivi.
Leo nakufanyia chapo wote.
Come on. Yeah, what happened, brother? Are you a bigger man now? Got money, every bit of it, just to show off to others. Look, we got nothing to hell with your quota proud nonsense. Why? Hey, supposedly, you really cheat. Come on, son, what does it matter if we fight? We're brothers, man. Brother. Say what?
Again.
Fine.
Sir.
How do you know he's my older? Do we?
You forgot, I think.
Then you're even younger than me, kid.
Happy holidays.
What holiday, man?
The holiday of your ego.
Come here. Of course, today is our celebration, son. It's Uluk celebration. What will Uluk do? $1. That's this man's examination fee. The man is a world-famous doctor. What are we, son-in-law? Are we singers or artists? A doctor isn't famous. He is skilled. You will end this nonsense immediately. Closing the budget deficit thanks to that American. Are you aware of that? I am trying to keep your hospital afloat. Despite everything. You know the public service we provide this examination a week for free. This hospital is standing only because of their prayers. How do you want me? Christians, Father, we are doctors. And white man's you don't look after this trust. I know for it. What happened? Ours is alive too. Our day, bro. Children's lab results come, please, as soon as the Mr. Fire. You are taking. Don't let the matter. Good luck.
Uliza maiki za kuongelea na utashika.
Mr. Esref is not a children's lab. Fire. And I manage this lawsuit.
Mfano kama mko
Not
mnashika.
Mr. Esref, right?
Zile.
You are taking the results momentarily. For free examinations, come on Wednesdays. All right. Don't let the matter die, brother. Was that miracle?
Okay, we can't.
We have the filled one.
Eat. If
Possible. They're ours.
Zile sijajuaga bei yake.
Look, 1 minute. We brought a brother of ours. No legs. hospital. What kind of... What do you want? What is your problem? You want a brother to stand up. Look at this child. Look there. He is still smiling. Did you see? Do you think he's happy with his situation? Is he not happy? Then why is this child smiling? Why is he still grinning? So that I don't get sad. Because he ended up like this because of me. I couldn't stay put. I went and stood up to that scumbag who makes us work. He said, bow your head, I didn't. He said, kiss my hand, I didn't. He said, steal, I said I wouldn't. He left me hungry and thirsty for days. But wouldn't can't stand it just because he brought me a glass of water. Because I drank that water.
Wow.
He beat the child.
Nimemwambia sasa. Mwambia basi watume hela.
He threw that tiny child from wall to wall. But you know what? That child
Sawa.
never once gave me a dirty look. So that I wouldn't feel guilty. But sometimes I even feel guilty just because I can walk. That other boy says that, he moved on his back for years. He got a hunchback. But once did he turn to me and say, brother, this isn't my burden. He never said, brother, this is your burden. And that other girl, you know, she never once complained. She fed him and took care of him like a baby. She did everything for him. We aren't asking for much. We really aren't asking for much. Just a hope. Just one hope. I didn't touch a single penny of it. It's clear you're someone very important. Look, I'm begging you, go speak to whoever you need to. If that doctor can really create a miracle, he will examine Umutu. He has to. Miracles aren't just right, you know. That doctor isn't creating any miracles.